Yo, who's locked up with me? Anybody locked up with me? Where you at? Where you at? Where you niggas at? Yo, where you at? I'm in the West Tunnel. Anybody in the West Tunnel? Why is nobody talking to me?
My bad, I was with Kobe. I was by the north side.
You gotta watch out though. There's a chainsaw already.
I'm in the cellar.
I'm finding a lockpick right now.
Somebody opening up a door?
Yeah.
That's you?
I'm not being loud with it though.
Shit.
Fuck.
He's right near me, y'all.
Damn, she sucks at picking locks, boy.
Yo, he is on me. On my ass.
He killed you?
Yep.
Yo, Ken, where you at, bro?
I'm about to escape upstairs.
Damn, bro. Fuck. Where you escaped from?
The north south.
Are all the doors unlocked? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Damn, I'm shit.
Hi, nigga! Damn, bro. I'm scared shitless, bro.
Oh, Cam's fucked right now.
I'm fucked, bro. I don't even know where to go.
Cams are coming for you. Watch out, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I'm fucking locked in this basement.
Damn, nigga is here. I'm upstairs in the house already.
Oh, this shit got me tight.
Oh, he's on my ass! Ah!
Damn, Cam's back,
I
bro.
don't even know how the fuck to get out of here, bro. Shit's pissing me off. That's you, Cam? I'm with you, bro. Where we going?
That's not Cam, bro.
That's not Cam? Who the fuck is this random?
Not me.
Fuck.
That's random.
Oh my god.
I'm the girl.
Pick lock that door, motherfucker. Oh. Shit. Stairs?
Yeah, they're upstairs though for sure. Oh! Stabbed you in the back, pussy. I'm so scared right now. I just played Russian roulette with my life.
Hello, motherfucker.
Cam, you died?
Nope. I just made mad noise. Damn, I gotta go through the house. Fuck. Oh, nah.
Run, motherfucker! Run, nigga! Run! 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 What am I supposed to use the bone pick shit for?
That's if like somebody's like attacking you and shit. You can like fight them off.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I hit a chainsaw. It's coming. I'm fucking out of here.
Damn, this shit is a maze, boy.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh shit! Who the fuck is behind me? Who the fuck is behind me?
And nigga got executed? Oh, that's not good.
I'm last one alive.
Nah, I'm still alive.
Bro, I need to get the
And
fuck
they
out.
on my ass. That's what you get for being sunny. You died, dickhead. Bro, I do not know where to go right now.
Bro, I don't know where to fucking go neither, bro. Bro, none of these fucking doors are open, bro.
They're still in the basement though. Oh, come upstairs to the ladder.
Nigga, I don't know where the fuck is the ladder, bro.
Come this way.
I don't know where the fuck is the ladder.
Bro, come over here, bro.
Nigga, where the fuck is over here, bro?
Help me! Help me! Nigga! Help me!
Look for me.
Nigga, look for you. I don't know where the fuck I'm at, so what makes you
Turn
think
around,
I'm gonna be
turn
able to
around,
fucking
turn
find you,
around.
bro? Fuck.
Turn around.
Jesus Christ.
Back to this door over here, bro.
What door, bro?
Shit.
It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm so scared right now.
Where are you, bro? What door are you at, bro?
Blood bathroom.
Run! Blood bathroom, where are you, bro?
I'm going to the house. To the left. Oh, fuck.
Bro, I've been stuck in the fucking basement for 30 minutes, bro.
Hold on. I'm so scared right now.
I'm dead! I'm dead! Run! Motherfucker! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Go! 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 Run! Shit! No way. How the fuck you escape? Y'all niggas are the worst communicators ever, bro.
Bro, I told you where I was. You wasn't listening.
No, you niggas said turn around, turn around. There's like a million doors here, bro.
When I was glowing, bro, when he was finding us, he should have looked at where I was, bro.
No, bro. Fuck you. You spectating me?
Oh!
Where you telling to run?
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm dead.
Bro, I have no idea, bro. I'm getting pissed off because I don't remember shit. Where the fuck to go?
I almost made it out too. Man. Yo, the backyard is open. You just need a lockpick.
I don't know where the fuck I'm at, bro. Oh,
Oh,
on
nah,
ladder.
yeah.
On ladder.
Yeah, that's the ladder I was talking about the whole time. Yo, you need to find a toolbox though.
Oh my god, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, you about to die either way because your health is mad low. Yo, search that toolbox. And then go to your left and go through the backyard. There's a lady back there though, so you have a bone chip so you can buy her off tape. Oh man, they're in the house. They're in the house. You too loud. You too
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Go to the left. Run.
Where? Left?
Go to your right. Go to your right. And then go around.
To the right or what left?
Left. Run. Close that. Stand that big behind.
Oh.
Yep. Run.
Run! Motherfucker! Run! Get me the fuck out of here! Left or right?
Go left. Go
Run!
straight. Run to the gate. Go to the gate. Pick it up. Pick the lock. You gotta move fast though. Oh my god. Oh wait.
Hurry up. How the fuck do I do this? How do I fucking do this?
Look for the green and tap X. No,
Bruh.
break it though. You broke it.
Fuck!
Congratulations, you played yourself.
You're dead.
Fuck!
Just give up, bro.
Let him take your life. Oh my god.
Damn, bro. I didn't even know, like, I needed to fuck, bro. I could have left.